Here's the question. It's an Am I the Asshole? Question comes in from stepmom. Today, I dropped my bonus son from dental insurance despite him needing braces in the near future. I'm a military service member and I provide insurance to my bonus kids free of charge. My bonus son, 16, sent some nasty comments to me over text message over the past year, and I have tried to repair the relationship every way possible, but given we are across the country from him, our options are limited. I blocked his number back in August 2023. His mother emailed us asking for more money for braces after the bills are run through both of our insurances, and I felt some type of way about being cussed out one day and then taken advantage of for free insurance and out-of-pocket expenses the next. I confronted the mom about how I feel, and ultimately she said I deserved it because I have hurt her kids in the past, and my apologies will not be accepted. I want to take care of my bonus kids, but I also value respect and decency more. I told her we will both pay higher out-of-pocket expenses because of his mouth. Am I the asshole? Should I keep providing free dental insurance despite the disrespect? Hi, my name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney. I own Modern Law. We represent people in Arizona with family court issues, and I own Win Without Law School, a program for people who are representing themselves across the country. On my page, we talk family law. These types of questions come in, and this one came from the Modern Divorce Support Group, a Facebook group that we run. So what do you all think? Is this stepmom making the right decision, or should she continue to provide dental insurance? Legally, I think that this move is a mistake. And I think if mom were to go to court and show the judge that dad and his wife could be providing dental insurance and saving everybody money, but they're choosing not to, then I wouldn't be surprised if a judge ended up ordering dad to pay a higher percentage of the uncovered dental costs. I feel you, stepmom. You've been disrespected. You're trying to figure out a way to repair a relationship, but you have no ability to do so because you're across the country. You've got his mom rubbing it in your face, and you're trying to figure out, what's my move? And this is the move you've got. But you're in an impossible war. You're not going to be able to teach your son, your stepson, your bonus son, not to be disrespectful by removing the free dental insurance. You're only hurting both of his parents. You're not even really hurting him. He's still going to get braces. It's just that your husband's going to have to pay more and his mom's going to have to pay more. And maybe, if mom goes to court, it'll all come back on dad. In this situation, I think you got to play the long game. The long game is that, 16-year-olds are hard all the time. They're especially hard when they're across the country and you have less influence and their mom isn't kind of encouraging it or telling them that behavior is okay. The only thing that you can do is really disengage and play the long game. What do you guys think?